For this lock install, you'll need a 1/2-inch wrench, and a flathead screwdriver is optional. The Watchman 4 locking system is designed for Master Lock Number 5, or American Lock Number 50. Equivalent size locks that can work must meet critical dimensions located on the lock installation label inside the box. Step 1. Unbolt the padlock tab. Step 2. Place the padlock shackle into the padlock tab. Step 3. Install the carriage bolt into the hole on the padlock tab. Secure with a lock nut. Ensure the padlock tab is parallel with the lock tray. Step 4. Make sure the lock is properly installed. While the padlock is in the unlocked position, the lever should move freely. Push the padlock into the locked position and try to move the lever. If the lever does not move, the lock has been installed correctly. If you need help, visit our website or contact customer service.